In this video, we are going to practice again combining like terms, but here it's going to be a little bit more complicated and you have to watch out if the terms are like or not. All right, let's look at the first example. We got r squared plus 4s squared minus 7r squared. What are like terms? So like terms have to have the same variable and the same power. The r with the 2, right? That's the power of it. And then there is another r with the 2. So this guy and this guy can be combined. But the other one is like s squared. That's not from the same country, okay? The r is from United States, but the s is from Spain or something. You can't combine us, okay? So this guy is not combinable with anything because there's nothing like that. We don't see s squared. Okay, so if we can combine r squared and r squared, how do we do that? Well, what I told you before is you can just delete the variable completely, cross it out, and then just perform the operation on the numbers. However, what's the number in front of r squared? There is no number. So does that mean it's 0? Nope, it's not, because if it was 0, and remember the default operation is times, 0 would make this whole thing 0, and that's not true. This is r squared, this is a lieutenant, it can be a 0, okay? And what then? Well, you have to insert a 1, because you can always multiply anything by 1 and that anything doesn't change. So inserting a 1 makes no difference. And now you can do the operation. So 1 minus 7 would be negative 6 r squared. So this is, if I am a lieutenant and they're subtracting 7, they're going to be missing 6 of them, of the lieutenants, right? Not of somebody else. So this is going to be negative 6 r squared, right? Just use the calculator if you are not sure. Just, do 1 minus 7, okay, negative 6. And then the other term, you cannot do anything with that because that was from a different country, okay? Now, looking at this next example, you got g squared h. And then you have g squared, and then you have h squared. None of them are combinable. They're all different. So we can't combine it. We can't rewrite it. We're just going to have to type it again because you can't. It says if possible. Well, it's not possible. So you can't do that. So then you just have to type it again.